Hi everyone! Welcome back to John's Ed. Today, we're diving into a topic that's so crucial for your little one's learning journey: pre-writing skills. Whether you're a parent, caregiver, or teacher, this video will give you practical tips to help your child develop the skills they need before they even pick up a pencil. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what pre-writing skills are. These are the foundational skills children need to develop before they start writing letters and numbers. Strengthening hand muscles for holding a pencil. Developing fine motor skills for control and coordination. Practicing hand-eye coordination for guiding a pencil across paper. Understanding basic shapes and lines, which form the building blocks of letters. Think of these skills as the stepping stones to confident writing. Now let's dive into some fun and engaging activities you can do at home to build these skills. These don't feel like work for your child. They're all about play and creativity. Rolling, squishing, and shaping Play-Doh strengthens those tiny hand muscles. You can even shape it into letters or numbers. Tracing lines and shapes. Use tracing worksheets or draw your own shapes and patterns for your child to trace. Start with straight lines, curves, and simple shapes. Sand or rice tray. Writing. Pour sand or rice into a shallow tray and let your child practice drawing lines, shapes, or letters using their finger or a stick. Cutting with scissors. Cutting along lines on paper or even simple crafts can improve hand strength and coordination. Always supervise them, of course. Age under 3 to 5 years children, I always prefer weightless, non-sharpened scissors. Pincer grasp practice. Use tweezers to pick up small objects like beads or pom-poms. It's a fantastic way to develop their grip. I have already shared a video about pencil grasp. The link is here. Have a look. Here are some easy tips for parents. Create an activity short and sweet. Remember, children aged under 6 years, they can't even stand in a place. Children have short attention spans, so keep sessions brief and fun. 5 to 10 minutes is often enough. Celebrate small wins. Every squiggly line and every circle drawn is progress. Cheer them on to boost their confidence. Use everyday moments. Incorporate pre-writing activities into daily routines. For example, let them draw shapes in spilled flour while cooking, or trace letters in steam on a mirror. Be patient. Every child develops at their own pace. Don't rush them. Instead, create a supportive and encouraging environment. And that's it for today's video. Remember, these activities are not just about writing. They're about building your little one's confidence, creativity, and curiosity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting tips and activities. Feel free to share your favorite pre-writing activities in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy learning and happy parenting.